Today's topic is Petya strings from the Codeforces. The the problem is that here has containing two string with using the lexicographical system. Lexicographical was the means of lexicographical system, that is an uppercase letter is considered the equivalent corresponding to the lowercase letter. Lexicographically means actually means that it will be or it will be uh, it will be maintain its sequence in a dictionary order. So that is called the lexicographical. So in this problem it has been said that there has no problem on lower case or uppercase that must be in a order that must be controlled the order system, and the length of this system was 1 to 100, and now we have, find our output as if the first string is less than the second, then it will be output the minus one. If the second string is less than the first one, that will be output the one. And if the strings are equal to the same equal, then it will be find the output zero. As we see that there has no issues on the same uppercase letter and lowercase letters. So here you can see that the four length and first input is all A and second input all A. Then means two inputs are the same position. So that might be output will be a zero. Now, in another example, we can see that A, B, S and A, B, Z. So, as we can also say, also see that the uppercase and lowercase are the same position, but here we can see that S is the upper position and Z is the lower position of the system. So, here we can say that the uppercase first string is less than the second one, and as is the minimum numbers, minimum positions, and jet is the upper position of this dictionary sequence. So here we can see that first string is the less than the second one, so the output must be a minus one. Actually, this problem the statement of this problem is that any types of character, if it will maintain this condition, that the output will be based on this. Like here A B C D E F, they are the same, but any type of character will be same, that in that it will be output will be 0 and 1 minus 1. So now, so here we can see three systems like if the any types of character like C1. So we can say that there has any type of character, like middle character, starting character, end character. So any type of character will be the same. Then we can say that is output will be zero, and any type of character will be greater than the next sentence character. Any type of character, then the output will be minus one. And any type of if the first sentence any type of character will be the greater than the next sentence, that will be less than, then it will be output will be 1. So sorry, it will be less than, then it will be the output minus 1. So first sentence character, first sentence character is less than the second sentence character less than, then it will be find the output minus 1. So now the problem can be written as a C program. As we will be working using the will be what using the string, then we can take a live function like a string dot h. Now firstly we take two input, so the length will be must be 100, 1 to 100, then it will be we may take a indexes number like 101, 100, 105 as my wish, but it must be greater than the 100. So two string must be input, so str1 and str2. Uh, you can take only take also 100 to 103 and 104 as you wish, but it must be greater than the 100. So now we take the input of the scanf. As we declare this string as a character, but we take this input as a string because there has a length. A character means only single character identify, but in this sequence we need to check the full length of the sentence. Now the condition will be provided that string one means first sentence and second sentence. If the both sentences will be the in the same length, and if both sentences will be true and it will true, then it will be continuous process. Now we must convert the string into a character. So full string must be converted into a lower character. So, as before we know that there has no issues on uppercase letter and lowercase letter, so we must convert all the letter into a small letter. If you wish, you can convert it into a uppercase letter as you demand. So now we check each character. So as the loop will be continue into 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means first character. So it will be check the C1. First character will be checked. If the first character of the sentence and second character, so each character, it means A, four times. It will be the loop will be continue with the four times and check they check this four times. So and must, and now we will write the three condition like if C1 is less than the C2, then the output must be -1. And another condition, and we must be also use our return zero, or return zero means it can be continue the loop and the output will be shown. So we must if we want to stop this sentence in this section, then we must take input return 0. Now second condition will be checked C1 and C2. So third condition we must didn't need to check because else and need not to check because third condition will be at 0 and it will be output on the last positions. It will be continue on the after the for loop. Now we can check our each input. Yes, both are the same, then the output will be 0. Now we will check our second one, and each character must be checked. So here return 0 means the condition will be breakdown on this position. That will not be check the below code.